Go get your toys. Oops, we have to do it this way. Here, it's over here, Eli. Come on, go get it. That's the wrong one. That's the wrong one. Go get your toy. Go get it. Are you mad because you can't get it? Well, go get it. Come on. You can do it. It's right there. Go get it. That's some really good negotiation as to why you think you don't need to go get your toy, but come on, it's right here. Go get it. It's funny, Eli, it really is, don't you think? Really? Okay. Yeah? You want the camera? You trying to get it? Huh? Okay. One last try? No? You don't want to try again? Okay, you don't have to. We'll go for a walk then. I see you. I see you. I found you. Can't hide. Okay, love you. Bye.